Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, my name is BlancaEstela and welcome to my channel. I do upload 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss out on that, so you better subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY April? Are we in April? Yeah, April glam bag. Okay. So if you guys haven't seen them, I normally apply whatever I receive. If I can apply to my face, I apply kind of like a first impressions, kind of like a review of the products. But I already have a makeup on, so I'm not going to do that today. Besides, I didn't really get products to apply to my face today. I think only like a couple, like 2, but the rest are to apply to my face right now. But this is what the bag looks like. It is really, really pretty. I love butterflies. So when I saw I was going to get this bag, I actually got really excited. Hence the butterfly tattoo. Okay. So like I always do, I'm going to pull each product out one by one and talk about each product. And the first one wasn't in the bag. It was outside of the bag. But it is a brush. I love getting brushes from IPSY because I love getting new brushes. Who doesn't like new brushes? This one is from... From Firma Cosmetics or Beauty. Let me look it up. It's from Firma Beauty. This one is their 202 angled blender brush. And this is what it looks like. I like the packaging. I like how it's white and then the little bronze thing at the top. It's a really pretty brush. And the bristles are really soft, so I'm actually excited to try this out. This brush is a angled shape. The angled shape of this brush makes it awesome for applying shadow across your lids and blending darker shades without streaks. It's not just for your eyes. This versatile brush is also great for precise contouring and adding fullness to your lips. So I'm thinking I might use it to try contouring my nose with it, just because I've been using the same brush for a while now. So I'm just going to try it out for my nose contouring. The super duper soft bristles are synthetic, which means this brush is totally vegan and cruelty free, which is pretty cool. Okay. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a blush, and this one is from AZEREDO Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade Chameleon. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. This might be a full-size one. I'm not sure. I haven't seen the AZEREDO blushes before, but this is what it's kind of like a corally blush. It is really, really pretty. I also like getting blushes because I'm a blush whore, you know. I will try this out in my next tutorial though, so you know, I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. This blush, whether you want a hint of color or a bold blush look, this pressed powder blush will do the trick. It's velvety, soft, easy to blend, and very buildable. You can wear it wet or dry. Just add water to make the pigment pop even more. What? That's actually interesting. I've never heard of anyone wetting the brush for blush. I'm actually going to try that. See what happens. Chameleon is a rosy pink shade that feels fresh and springy. Animal lovers, you'll be happy to know it's vegan and cruelty free. No animal testing here. So that's pretty cool. It's actually a pretty shade. So okay, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is a moisturizing lipstick by Real Her. I think that's how you say it. And this is in the shade Girl Power. This is the packaging of it. It fools you. You think you're gonna get a full size, but just watch. If I can get it out. Bam! It's a mini size one. It's still cute though. So that's the brand, and then on the back it says the shade name, which is Girl Power, and it's a mauve shade. But for it being like a sample size, you get a lot of product actually. This is what it looks like. It has the brand's logo stamped on it, which I think is pretty cool. And this shade is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Ooh. This is actually a really pretty nude shade. Okay, I see you. We forgot our lip balm, gasp, but this baby stepped up in a pinch. It's made with jojoba oil and shea butter that moisturize and nourish your lips so they stay hydrated from the inside out. Girl Power is a richly pigmented, deep mauve shade that dries to a pretty satiny finish. Satiny finish, sorry. It's vegan, cruelty free, and made with natural ingredients, so swipe it on without the guilt. I won't. I won't. I mean, I will. I will. Okay, so the next thing. Let me go on to the next thing on the. Okay, this one. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is this coconut oil plus coffee sugar body scrub by Perlice. I think that's how you pronounce the name. And it is a body scrub. It's actually my first time getting a body scrub. I got something by them, I think 2 bags ago. I think it was an exfoliator and I actually liked it. It just made my face burn like the first couple times, but then it went away. I guess my skin had to get used to it. But it's a really good moisturizer. Exfoliator, sorry. And IPSY staffer let Perlice founders in on a secret. So many of you guys love coffee scrubs. So she was inspired to whip up this mix. How cool is that? It's made with coffee, obviously. Why is that? Coffee grounds are great exfoliators and they're rich in antioxidants. They also help improve circulation to firm and tone your skin. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and it has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, aka it helps keep your skin healthy too. The scent echoes yummy. It's so energizing, especially before your AM cup of joe. We're about to smell it. I never used a body scrub before either, so. Oh my god, it smells like coffee. I want coffee. This is what it looks like. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Let me push it back in.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Bitch, yes. Okay.
The thing I'm going to pull out is from Feel. And this is their Restored Self-Warming Clay Mask, which is good for pore opening and deep cleansing. And this is what it looks like. You get a pretty good amount, which I am pretty happy about. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, it smells really pretty. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see that? It smells really nice. I'm actually going to use this today. See how I like it. This magical mask is infused with white charcoal powder, which warms up upon contact with your skin to open up pores and clear out all the icky stuff that's hiding deep down. It's loaded with mineral-rich nigiri sea salt. I think that's how you say it. To gently detoxify and exfoliate. It's also packed with vitamin E and hydrating hyaluronic acid to help your skin look plump, toned, and radiant. I'm actually pretty excited to try this out. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my IPSY bag. Actually, am pretty satisfied with the things that I got this month, especially for the clay mask and the body scrub. I'm going to try those out afterwards, actually. I'm going to get in the shower, take this off, put the clay mask on, and try the body scrub, okay? It's going to be a little spa day for me. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in IPSY bag, in IPSY, I'll put a link down below. You guys can just click on it. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time. Bye, guys.